When shopping for a loved one this Valentine's Day, why not try something unique and original? Why not make something old new again by restoring a treasured family memory from the past? It could be mom and dad at the state fair in the 1940s. Didn't dad look dashing in his band uniform? And grandma would have had a cow if she saw all that lipstick on mom. The hardest part is getting started. Most people have family favorites, and if you are lucky, somebody else has done the heavy lifting and digitized the image for you. Just upload the image file into your favorite AI platform. My favorite is Nano Banana because it tends not to add content or distort the photos by changing expressions. Next, you add the prompts for what you want done. Think of these as cheat codes for your favorite video games. It may take you a few tries, but you will find what works for you. Here is a simple prompt I found on the internet to get you started. Part 1. Repair all scratches, folds, discoloration, dust, grain, and missing details. Reconstruct damaged areas using realistic textures that match the original scene. Keep all people, clothing, objects, facial features, and background elements true to the source image. Do not alter identities or add new items. Part 2. After restoration, carefully colorize the image with natural, historically accurate tones. Maintain realistic skin tones, period-appropriate clothing colors, authentic lighting, shadows, and atmosphere. Preserve the original style and composition while enhancing clarity, contrast, and sharpness. Final result should look like a high-quality modern photograph that still feels true to the original era. These prompts should work well in most models. Chances are you'll have to experiment, but failure is how you learn. Pretty soon you'll be restoring pictures like a pro. Happy Valentine's Day.